Very good afternoon to everyone. Our next topic is fartlek training method. Gustav Ulmer developed fartlek training in 1937. The word fartlek is Swedish word which means speed play. In this training method that blends continuous training with interval training, this training method lays emphasis on both aerobic and anaerobic system. In this method, pace or speed is not pre-planned. So it is left up to the individual. He can change his speed according to the surroundings. Surroundings means hills, rivers, forest, muddy roads, and grassy ground. It means this training is totally based on nature. The rate of heartbeat range between 140 to 180 beats per minute. Duration of training depend upon the experience of athlete, but most probably it lasts of minimum of 45 minutes. For performing this training, proper warm-up should be done at the beginning and appropriate cooling down at the end of this training. Perform to improve your performance and reduce the chances of injury. Here we will take one example. Before starting this training, we will do a warm-up. In the warm-up, we are doing a jogging or slow running for 5 to 10 minutes and then run hard up the hill to the crest, jog to crosswalk, accelerate the short downhill, jog to the intersection, run quickly around the block versus run for 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, and 2 minutes faster with 2 minutes jogging recovery is an example of structured fartlek training method. Here you can see in this picture, this is a small model of this training method. Whenever you are doing your fartlek training, you start with the jogging for 5 to 10 minutes, do your running for 1 kilometer to 1.5 kilometer, then you will do your sprints 10 to 15 sprints. Maybe if you are feeling tired, then you can start your walk. So you have to be recover yourself here. After this, you will perform few exercises just like push-ups, 5 to 10 push-ups, frog jump for 20 to 30 meters, then hopping for again 20 to 30 meters, and then you will start slow running. Slow running means again you will do your jogging 5 to 10 minutes, and then fast running take around 1 kilometer, and then again we will do our sprints according to our tiredness. Maybe if we are getting more tired, then we will do only 5 to 10 sprints here, and then finish this race with fast running. Again you can see here there is one more example is here. Warm up for the 5 minutes with easy run, 5 minutes run with harder, then we will do a running for 1 minute, then again we will perform 4 minutes hard running, then we will take 1 minutes easy run. So in this way we will follow the fartlek training method. At the end, cooling down 5 minutes with easy run. Before discussing the advantage and disadvantage of training method, I just wanted to tell you one more thing. So many students are asking to me, does fartlek training burn more fat? Then I said yes, fartlek training is one of the best effective way of losing weight quickly. What is the reason? In this training includes fast running, which can burn your calories at quite a high rate. In fact, fartlek training is very effective for the peoples who are looking to get rid of extra weight from their belly. So I can agree with this, and in fact, those who are especially having too much weight in their belly, then they can perform this training and get a good result. Come to the point. Advantage of this training: heart rate up, allowing an athlete to get good cardiovascular endurance. It is good for aerobic and anaerobic fitness. This training is not rigid but flexible in nature. It is easy adaptable to the athletes. In fact, through this training, we can improve fast twitch muscle responses. In fact, this training is good for the group team. It means this training is useful for team game also. In fact, it is easy for the individual training also. This training is effective for endurance training.